Hello everyone, today let me teach you on how to move your YGG tokens that stake in the Yield Guild website and move it to YGG Play website. So first, we need to unstake our tokens in the Yield Guild website. Head over to the reward section, click staking, then unstake the YGG tokens that you have. Then you will receive your YGG tokens in your Ronin wallet. And after that, you can send these tokens directly to your Binance account. While waiting to your YGG in Binance, you can now get the address of your MetaMask. After receiving your YGG tokens in your Binance account, you can now swap it into ETH. Then after getting your ETH token, you can now send it to your MetaMask wallet. Then while waiting to the ETH in our MetaMask account, we can now set up the YGG Play account. So connect with Google and use the account that you want to use. Connect wallet. To avoid any issue, you can use the same email that you use on the YGG Play website. So that's it, you have an account in the YGG Play website. So in order to get the abstract address, you can go to portal.abs.xyz, head to my wallet, then you can copy the wallet address. So be careful guys, because you can send funds directly to this address. So we need to bridge this first. So after getting the ETH tokens on your MetaMask, and in order to bridge it on the Abstract network, we need to go to this website. I'll link this on the description below. And the important thing to do guys is to, after copying your address, we have an option here on the bridge website to change the address where we will receive the ETH token. I mean, this is my address on the Abstract network. So that's what I'm going to use to receive the ETH tokens. Continue. I understand. Then just double check the information guys. F6. Then bridge. Then approve the transaction guys. And that's it. We just need to wait on our Abstract wallet to get the ETH. So we will see if we have any tokens here in the wallet section also.
A few moments later.
The transaction will take at least 10 to 15 minutes. And after the transaction being completed, we can now go back to our profile and we can now see the ETH on our account. So in order to convert this again into the YGG token, we can go to the trade section. So I suggest you can leave some ETH in your account to use as gas fee in future transactions. So to swap, select YGG tokens. Then swap. Then let's wait until it's been completed. And after getting your YGG token, we can now head back to the YGG Play website. In the YGG Play website, we can click the stake here on the right side of the website. Click stake, then put the amount of YGG you want to stake. So for example, click max. Approve stake, then approve the transaction. Then stake. And that's it, guys. The YGG tokens that you have on the on the Yield Guild website will now be moved and staked in the YGG Play website. And that's it, guys. If you have questions or suggestion, you can just message on the comment below. Thank you and God bless.